city in Karnataka, once ruled by the Odia kings and is known for its rich royal culture and heritage. The city has played an important role in South Indian history, art and traditions. It is famous for the Grand Mysore Palace, the colorful festival Dasara, the sandalwood products, and the Mysore Pak.
Good morning. Today I am going to tell about Dandi. So Dandi is a small coastal village in Gujarat. It is famous for the Dandi March of 1930 led by Mahatma Gandhi. From Dandi, Gandhiji broke the British salt law, which make a powerful symbol of India's freedom struggle. Dandi is also known for its sea coast and salt making. Thank you.
Hello friends, today I am going to tell about Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is located in India and it is the second largest state by the area, and it is also called the Tiger State in India. And it is rich in cultural heritage and heritage cities are called Sandhi, etc. Thank you.
So today I am going to tell you about Tanjore. Tanjore is the cultural heart of Tamil Nadu. Tanjore is one of the oldest cultural cities of southern India. After the decline of Cholas, it revived under Marathas. It was the capital of Chola Empire. King Rajaraja Chola I built the Brihadishwara temple around 1010 CE. It is also called the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu as it is rich in agriculture. It is also famous for Tanjore paintings. Thank you.
Today I am going to tell you about Hyderabad. Hyderabad was founded in 1591 by Muhammad Qutb Shah, the fifth Sultan of the Qutb dynasty, to serve as a new capital city for its growing kingdom and as a major global center for the diamond and gold trading. It became the capital of Andhra Pradesh in 1956 and then the capital of Telangana in 2014. Involving into the major global information, technology and biotechnology hub known as Hyderabad. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Today I am going to tell about Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat, established on March 16 in 1960 to replace Ahmedabad in 1970. It is built on the banks of Sabarmati river. It is a planned city renowned as a green city for its expensively designed and sector-like design. Hyderabad is an ancient times as Gujarat, the pit of Bhaj and the ancient ruler of Afghan. Those Muhammad Khan in 1720s, involving the significant primary rulers of India, and before becoming a part of post-independent India, and the territory marked as the 1980s and the tributaries as the Bhopal gas and burst Indian industry. Morning. Today I would like to tell about Madurai. Madurai is also known as Athens of the East. It is a historic city in Tamil Nadu, famous for its stunning architecture, center around Sri Meenakshi Amman temple, and also famous for textiles and jasmine flower known as Madurai Malli, and street food like bun paratha and Today I would like to tell about Bengaluru. Bengaluru begins settlements around 4000 BCE. Kapegupta, one founded 1537 CE under Vijayanagara. Tipu Sultan added forts and gardens in 17th. Mughal listed it to Mysore rulers in 1689. British contended in 1809 sugar growth. In 1947, they got freedom and they become Karnataka's capital and India's Silicon Valley. Bengaluru is special about Ladakh Botanical Garden. Thank you.
Good morning. I would like to tell about Ladakh. Ladakh capital is Leh. Leh is the main capital and largest city of Ladakh. It is a unique territory in India with the administrative for the role of for the
iconic structure and Kolkata is a great city to live and explore.
Jaipur is the largest city in Rajasthan. It is also known as Pink City. It is founded by King Sawai Jai Singh in 1727. In 1876, the British landlord King Sawai Jai Singh decorated the whole city with pink paint to welcome Queen Elizabeth and Prince Edward of Wales. In 2019, it was dedicated as a World Heritage City by UNESCO. Thank you.